Harvard students don't just reread their notes. They actively try to forget what they've learned. On purpose. Discover the bizarre psychology behind spaced repetition and why forgetting is the secret to long-term memory, Harvard style. So what exactly are these Harvard-approved study techniques backed by psychology? Let's dive into 4 methods that can seriously boost your learning. First up is spaced repetition. This is all about reviewing information at increasing intervals. The idea is that when you almost forget something and then retrieve it, that mental effort strengthens your memory. Forgetting isn't the enemy here. It's actually a key part of the process. Think of it like this. If you learn something new today, don't just cram it all in tonight. Review it tomorrow, then again in a few days, then maybe a week later. This spaced-out schedule helps consolidate that knowledge into your long-term memory. Apps like Anki are great for this. They use algorithms to optimize your review schedule, making sure you're challenged just enough. Next, we have active recall or retrieval practice. Instead of passively rereading your notes, actively try to recall the information from memory. Quiz yourself, use flashcards, or simply write down everything you remember about a topic without looking at your notes. This effortful retrieval is far more effective than just passively reviewing. Each time you successfully recall something, you're strengthening the neural pathways in your brain, making it easier to remember in the future. It's like giving your brain a mental workout. Then there's elaboration and interleaving. Elaboration involves connecting new information to what you already know. Ask yourself questions like, how does this relate to something I learned before? Or what's a real-world example of this concept? By making these connections, you're creating a richer, more meaningful understanding. Interleaving, on the other hand, involves mixing up different subjects or topics during your study sessions. Instead of studying one subject for hours, switch between a few different ones. This helps you differentiate between concepts and strengthens your ability to apply knowledge in different contexts. It is important to not get the subjects muddled up, however. Finally, we've got metacognition. This is basically thinking about your thinking. It involves being aware of your own learning process, identifying your strengths and weaknesses, and adjusting your study strategies accordingly. Ask yourself, what am I struggling with? What study methods work best for me? Am I really understanding this? Or am I just memorizing it? Self-assessment is key here. By monitoring your progress and evaluating your strategies, you can become a more effective and efficient learner. This also includes personalized and custom plans based on your style of study and learning. These 4 techniques, spaced repetition, active recall, elaboration and interleaving, and metacognition, are powerful tools for improving your study habits and boosting your academic performance. They're all grounded in psychological research and are used by many successful students, including those at Harvard. Now, while these techniques are super helpful, remember that they're not the whole picture. Factors like your learning environment, sleep, nutrition, and stress levels also play a big role in academic success. Furthermore, what about the best ways to combine these methods for maximum impact? Or how do these techniques adapt to different learning styles and subject matters? These are still open questions that merit further research. If you found these psychology insights helpful, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based strategies to optimize your learning and unlock your potential.